Hello everyone, I'm David with Softron. Now in this video, we're going to talk about a powerful little tool, and that is the Contour Shuttle ProV2. Now this has been an option for mReplay for quite a while, and that's all available in our knowledge base, but I want to talk about how you can use the built-in application with the Contour Shuttle to control on-the-air video. So let's take a look at some of the use cases. With the Contour Shuttle app, you can actually record keystrokes into the buttons for the device, and so using that, we're going to control on-the-air video. So one of those use cases was controlling on-the-air video by the playhead. So let's look at on-the-air video. Using the wheel, I can move forward by a frame, or I can even fast forward, and then release the play. If I want, I can either skip to the next item, or I can use the select and then trigger that. Again, I can move by frame, I can move forward, release, pause. So there's a lot of features you can do right here if you want to control the playhead. But another use case is for master control. Looking at the media browser, I have a clip right here. And so the first thing I want to do to make multiple segments is I want to duplicate it. So this is going to make my virtual copies of the clip. And then I'm going to go down to my first clip and open up the clip inspector. And I'm going to go find my first frame of video. There's the start of the show. Mark in. I'm going to use my wheel to fast forward. And now I'm coming up on the black at the end. All right, there's our last frame of video. I will mark out on this one. And then I've made a certain keystroke, and it's going to take me to the next item. So using the Contour Shuttle app, I've done a lot of things like mark in, mark out. I'm navigating through the content. I can then navigate as well through my media browser. So this whole profile, both the playhead control and the on-the-air video for master control, are all available on the knowledge base. So for $100, this is a pretty cool tool. I'm not saying it's the perfect solution, but it's pretty fun. And I really like having the old jog shuttle wheel because I did start on tape decks and that's what I'm familiar with. So having this and being able to mark in and out on segments, I think it makes it a lot better experience. And again, it's very easy to set up. There's not a lot of risk with this device. So if you want to try it, of course, like I said, you can go to the knowledge base and download it. If you have questions, you can always go to softron.tv and reach out to us there. Thanks for watching.